Dear children, yesterday I taught you geography lesson 8. Today I will teach you civics lesson 4, understanding media. First, look at the importance of media. Different communication outlets and tools. Different communication outlets and tools मीन्स इन हिंदी में क्या होता है, विभिन्न विचारों को आदान प्रदान करने वाले साधन मीडिया कहलाते हैं. In a democratic country like India, mass communication plays an important role in creating awareness about national policies and programs by providing information and education. Besides healthy entertainment to the people, it helps them to be active partners in the national building endeavor. Media and democracy. Different communication outlets and tools to store and deliver data and information is called media. It is used to contact the public and the masses. It plays an important role in modern democracy. Democracy is a popular government governed by consultation and consent and not by force. All adult citizens have the right to vote and choose their representative. Therefore, all the parties try to keep in touch with the masses and create public opinion in their favor. Every democratic country provides opportunities for full freedom for the formation and expression of the public opinion. Thus, mass media has its own importance. It plays an important role in providing information about everything that is happening all around and keep people well informed and enlightened. It also plays an important role in creating a sound and healthy public opinion, which is essential for success of democracy. Important agency of media and mass media. Agency of the mass media comprises of press, election and electronic media of mass communication, that is radio, newspaper, television and cinema. Each of these prove very helpful in democracy. Print media are press includes newspaper, magazine, journals, that is English, enlightened, public opinion, news, unbiased newspapers. These deal with important and significant events of the day and present a critical study of the political problem. The editorials offers guidelines for the country. The expression of political problem creates interest of the people in national and international problems. Different intellectual and enlightenment express their opinion through newspaper. These also criticize the government's action which are against the interest of the people and help to form public opinion against such activities. It is for this reason that the press is called the lighthouse of democracy. Press is called light of democracy. It goes beyond doubt that the press should be free, fair and unbiased. Unfortunately, sometimes newspapers create an atmosphere of hatred and bitterness in the country. Newspapers belonging to the communal organization are those owned by wealthy classes advocate the case of their community only. The government should try to control and curtail such newspaper. Electronic media of mass communication. Radio, television, cinema, etc. are the electronic media of mass communication. Radio and television have an edge over newspaper as they reach even literates and help them to form their opinion. Moreover, radio and television reach the remotest village and places in the country. People can listen to the news and views of leaders in every nook and the corner of the country. Different problems and their solution can be presented on radio and television through different programs. Similarly, television broadcasting assumes tremendous importance in the developing country like India. Doordarshan, the national television service of India, is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. Cinema is very important means of recreation. It also helps in the formation of sound public opinion. It brings to light many social problems and their solution. Every film also conveys a message. Political parties and election. I teach you next day. I will teach you next day. Thanks.